Hello guys, we are starting a new series called Logo Rebrand, where we'll be rebranding logos of famous companies in the world. But then we'll be starting with companies in Ghana first, and then when we are done, we'll move on to other parts of the world. So let's get started. Okay, so the first company that we'll be tackling is Zoomlion Ghana. So now let's try and get a brief about what Zoomlion Ghana is about. First of all, I noticed they improve life in their environment. So they are known for improving life in their environment. This is the first key point that I got from their website. Let's continue checking on their website. And I think there is something here. So they are sustainable waste management solution for homes, business, and communities. We are a wholly Ghanaian company. So I've noticed that they are a Ghanaian company that focuses on delivering total waste management solutions. So we copy that point and then add it here as well. So this will be our main key point that will guide us to design a logo to fit this particular company called Zoomlion. Now let's move on to our research. You also notice that they provide integrated waste management. They provide integrated waste management solutions from waste collections through haulage, transfer, and then sorting to recycle and disposal. Okay, so we have their mission here. Their mission is to improve people's lives and their environment. So we add the mission of the company here. And then I also saw their vision as well. So their vision is to be the leading environmental sanitation management group in Africa. So that's their vision. Let's go on. Okay, let's go to the website. Let's go back. So here are some of the services that they offer: public cleansing, communal containers, solid waste disposal, and other stuff. Okay, so now let's go to the about us. So at about us, they have let's say brief about their company. So we've already noted this one down, like a Ghanaian owned company, something. Yeah. Now let's move on. Why choose us? They have some information. I think we have the main information that we need for the logo, like the information that will help us come up with a suitable logo for this company. Yeah, so these are the services. Okay. So now we have the key points here. So that's improving people's lives and their environment. We also have the Ghanaian owned company that focuses on delivering total waste management solutions. Okay, they also provide integrated waste management solutions from waste collections through haulage, transfer, and sorting to recycling and disposal. And their mission is to improve people's lives and their environment. And their vision is to be the leading environmental sanitation management group in Africa. So now this is their current logo. The current logo that the business is using. So it has a ZL in the middle with their name in it, which is Zoomlion. Their slogan on the outer part of the logo. So you can see that they've combined, like they've combine the ZL together to, let's say, form something like an icon there, and then they added their logo and slogan. So we will be coming up with our own concept. We'll be looking at theirs and then we'll come up with ours. So this is how their main logo looks like. Okay. Now let's come up with our concept. I've already made some sketches down, so I'll be opening it very soon. So I have some sketches down, and then we'll be picking inspirations from there as well. So now let's start with the first concept. So now with this concept, with the first concept, okay, I wanted the logo to be like a Z in the form of a trash can. So here I do a Z in the form of a trash can. This, and then I added the top part of the trash can. So the main concept would be a Z with the trash can at the top. So I created a circle and then I placed the icon in the middle. After placing the icon in the middle, I was left with how to place the name. So I drew out circles and then I added their name at the top, which is Zoomlion. I tried to bolding it a little bit using the Gotham bold font. So here I was trying to position the tower. So I made a duplicate of the Zoomlion text, and then I added their slogan, which is waste management experts. So here I try to align the W to the S just to match the W and then the X for it to be in line. Then I increase their name a little bit just to fit the upper part of the logo. So I adjusted the waste management aspect again. So I was okay with the placement. Then I needed to add a white stroke to the inner circle and then the outer circle as well. Now I'll be changing the colors. So their colors were blue and then white. So I implemented those colors into the new concept, the concept one. So now I developed the black and white versions of the logo. Okay. So now once we are done with the first concept, we'll be working on the second concept, the concept 2. The second concept, the idea was to use just a text, just to work something with the text. So I wrote out the name of the company, which is Zoomlion, and then try to find a suitable text for the main word, which is a Zoomlion, and then later on I'll add the waste management text. That's their slogan. So I got a font. I needed a dot and also a bold font. So I got a font called Anthem. And then I added their name, which is their slogan, which is the waste management experts, and then I aligned it to the two O's. The first O coming from the Zoomlion side, and then the last O next to the N. So I added trademark, that's the TM, to the text, and then change its logo, change its color to their blue color. And then I change the color of the waste management to an ash color. So after completing that one too, I developed the black and white versions of that version as well. Let's move on to the last concept, as concept 3. So with the concept 3 is almost similar to the first concept. So with the concept 3, it has a Z in the middle of a circle. The name Zoomlion will be at the top, and their slogan, which is the waste management experts, will be at the bottom part. So here I try to work on the Z in the middle of the small circle. Okay, so here I was working on the Z in the middle. So after I was done, I cleared out the unwanted parts. But then it didn't clear everything. There were some rough parts around the circle, so I had to work on those parts. So over here, I was working on the edge. It wasn't that smooth, so I had to smoothen the edges a little bit. So I worked on it, and then after that I added a new ellipse where we'll be adding the logo inside that ellipse. I drew out an ellipse tool, and I added their name, which is the Zoomlion, will be at the top, and then the waste management experts will be at the bottom part. So now that I was done with the name and everything, I decided to add the brand colors. So after I was done, I worked on a black and white version of the two logos. So now let's take a look at our logos.